What's going on, guys? Dustin at Cardboard Hobby here, breaking 2013 Supreme Baseball. It's our first break of the night. This is a 5-box break. Date is July 27, 2015. Our teams and owners look like follows. We got Chad W. with the Brewers, Chris D. with the Rangers, Jeffrey C. with the Diamondbacks, Tigers, and Dodgers, Jeremy E. with the White Sox, Angels, Athletics, and Giants, and Blue Jays. Jim with the Reds, Indians, Rockies, and Marlins. Joseph K. with the Red Sox and Yankees. Joshua G. with the Nationals. Cal T. with the Braves and Mets. Kyle W. with the Cubs. Mike B. with the Orioles. More Cars with the Mariners and Rays. Robert with the Pirates. Ryan B. with the Twins, Phillies, and Padres. And then Scott K. with the Astros and Royals. We got a payment from Grand Slam for the Cardinals. I haven't updated that in about 5 minutes, so if you paid in the last 5 minutes, that's why. Alright. I'll show you guys our flash art boxes real quick before we begin. Just a little sliver here. Here's your first box. We'll show you the boxes first and then we'll break them. Our first half of this 10-boxer here was just loaded with redemptions. I think we had 4 out of our 5 boxes were redemptions. So this is the other box. This is the other half of that 10-box inner. It's all inserts. The last one. No major hits though, so hopefully that's one in here. There you go, guys. Good luck. Yeah, tops, as far as tops like redemptions go, they're the slowest. Panini's like always on top of it. Tops like turtles. Here we go. First box, guys. Good luck. Alright. 5 of 20. Matt McGill for the Dodgers. Matt McGill, number 5 of 20 for the Dodgers. Our first hit. 5 of 20, Matt McGill. And next up, 8 of 25. Going to Tampa Bay, Matt Moore. 8 of 20, Matt Moore for the Rays. So Rays and Dodgers are our first two. Matt McGill and Matt Moore. Cal, better late than never, right? Box 2. Who is Matt McGill? We pulled the spring plate too. He's 101. Alright, for Boston, number 2 of 10, Tazawa for the Red Sox. 2 of 10, Tazawa for Boston. We got number 15 of 15, Jesse Barfield for the Yankees. Little Yankees throwback, 15 of 15, Jesse Barfield. Mrs. McGill. The Braves or Mets. No, this is only our third box. You caught the tail end of the first one. It's only box 3. The box 3 coming at you. Huh, nice. Number 1 of 25, Gary Sheffield for Miami. Gary Sheffield for the Marlins here. Marlins at the bottom. Sheffield for the Marlins. The little guy there. It's a cool card. And behind that, 21 of 35, Junior Lake. Junior Lake, 21 of 35 for the Cubbies. Cubs and Marlins. Box 4. This is a heavy one. I think we have the Kinja auto in here, guys. Or patch auto. This thing is big. It's a big one here. And we do. Oh, nice. Alright, we'll save that one for a second. Oh my god. Alright, we'll do this one first. 1 of 5, triple color patch auto, Paul Goldschmidt for Arizona. 1 of 5. So Arizona, 1 of 5, Paul Goldschmidt. Nice hit. Check out behind it. That might even be a little better. 26 of... I was going to do this one first and show that one second, but... Here you go. Ernie Banks for the Cubs. 29 of 35. Ernie Banks for Chicago. That's a nice box there. 29 of 35. Ernie Banks. Nice little hit. So we got Ernie Banks and Paul Goldschmidt, 1 of 5 in that box. That's not bad. It's not a bad box there. Box 5, guys. I'll be back at around 10 till 11 Eastern time for the Topps Chrome full case break. If any of you guys are in that, I'll be back around then for that one. Oh, get out of here. We got a repeat. Different look, though. 4 of 35. Marlins, Gary Sheffield. So 2 Marlin Gary Sheffields here. I pulled probably 10 of Yankees out of him. No Marlins. I get 2 in 5 boxes. 4 to 35. Gary Sheffield from Miami. Then we got 20 of 25. Blue Jays. Jesse Barfield. So Jesse Barfield's our second one, but this is a different team. 20 of 25, Jesse Barfield for the Blue Jays. Alright guys, let's do a little recap. Yeah, sorry Cal. Wish I could help you. 4 of 35, Miami, Gary Sheffield. Jesse Barfield for Toronto out of 25. Paul Goldschmidt, 1 of 5. Arizona, triple color patch auto. We got Ernie Banks out of 35 for the Cubs. Gary Sheffield out of 25 for Miami. Junior Lake out of 35 for the Cubbies. Tazawa out of 10 for Boston. Jesse Barfield out of 15 for the Yankees. Matt McGill, your boy Matt McGill, 5 of 20 for the Dodgers. And Matt Moore out of 25 for the Tampa Bay Rays. There it is. Alright guys, that's our 2013 Supreme Baseball break. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, thanks for breaking with CarverHobby.com. I'll hang around for a few minutes here, guys, if you guys want to see anything again. If not, like I said, I'll be back in just over an hour for the Topps Chrome full case break. So any questions, guys, let me know.